Atkins Civil 3D video series, Road 2A, Road Alignments. This video illustrates A. Primary road centerline alignment defaults. B. Create centerline alignment primary road. C. Side road centerline alignment defaults. D. Create centerline alignment for side roads. E. Road crown alignment defaults. And F. Create crown alignment for primary road. For the purpose of this video, the road center lines for the Kincaid tutorial project are shown. Since the new road improvements are to join the existing improvement, the centerline improvement shown by the yellow lines of Kincaid west of 49th Street is different than that east of 49th Street. Also, the crown shown by the red line east of 49th Street is different than the centerline improvement. Set the object layer default for road alignment. Tool space settings, right-click drawing name, edit drawing settings, alignment, pick current name, select C road centerline, OK. Alignment labeling text is C road text, OK. Set the alignment default for Kincaid centerline improvement. Tool space settings, right-click alignment, edit feature settings, default style, alignment style, C-align with marker, OK. Marker style, circle small, OK. Alignment label set, C-align label set, OK. OK. Create alignment for Kincaid West centerline improvement. Ensure drawing is in world coordinates. UCS enter, W enter. Home ribbon, create design panel, alignment icon, create alignment from objects, pick the centerline improvement near the beginning, select the yellow polyline, enter. If the direction is correct, enter. If not correct, enter R to reverse, then OK. Name, Ken, CL, improvement, west. Type is centerline, start station, 10+00, site none, alignment style C align with marker, alignment layer C road centerline, alignment label set, C align label set, do not add curves, do not erase entities, OK. The alignment station ticks and labels are shown. For this video, the Kincaid East centerline improvement has been created and is shown. The stationing for the Kincaid East centerline improvement is an extension of the West centerline improvement. This was achieved by creating a West centerline improvement label at the start of the East centerline improvement and using this value for the East centerline improvement start station. At times, it is desired to turn off the display of the station labels at the beginning, end, and other geometry points along the alignment. Pick any alignment label. In Properties palette, label heading, select Points to Label. Pick the right icon. Remove the check mark from the beginning, the end, curve midpoint, and any other geometry points desired. OK. Set the alignment defaults for the side road centerline improvement. Settings, right-click alignment. Edit feature settings, default styles, alignment style. Select the current style. CL align minor, OK. Apply, OK. Create centerline alignment for side roads. Home ribbon, create design panel. Pick alignment icon. Create alignment from objects. Pick the 44th Street centerline alignment south of Kincaid. Enter. Direction is correct. Enter. Name, 44th south. Type, centerline. Start station 10+00, site none, alignment style C align marker, alignment layer C road centerline, alignment label set, station tick no labels, do not add curves, do not erase entities, OK. The alignment ticks are shown for the side road. Adjust the start station of 49th South so that 10+00 is at the center line of Kincaid. Pick the alignment, move the cursor to the side, right-click, pick alignment properties, check the alignment end station, 12+00, which is at the center line of Kincaid. Adjust the start station so that the end station is 10+00. Enter 8+00 for the start station. Apply, OK for the warning, and OK. Set the alignment defaults for Kincaid crown. Settings, right-click alignment. Edit feature settings, default styles, alignment style, pick the current style, pick the browse. Browse to see align without marker, okay. Marker style, browse to none, okay. Alignment label set, browse no labels, okay. Apply, okay. Create alignment for Kincaid crown. Home ribbon, create design panel, alignment icon, create alignment from objects. Pick the crown line near the beginning station, red polyline, enter. Direction is correct, enter. Alignment name, Kin crown. Type, center line. Starting station 10+00. Site none. Alignment marker style. See align without marker. Alignment layer. Select see align crown. Okay. Okay. Alignment label set, no labels. Do not add curves. Do not erase existing entities. Okay. For this video, the centerline alignments for all the side roads have been created. Freeze the road centerline improvement and crown layout lines. LA, enter. Kin centerline crown, Kin centerline improvement. Close layer manager. The road alignments are still shown in the drawing. Save the drawing. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.